So I think now we have a huge moment of opportunity for UBI in the UK. In many ways, we're a perfect society to introduce it because we are a society in a very bad place. In the UK, we are a society in many ways crying out more than most even for a universal basic income. 16 million people in the UK have less than £100 of savings. People have gig economy type jobs, 0 hours contracts, low minimum wages, no chance to save. And so it's a deeply insecure society. And we've been starting to see with the medical impact of COVID-19, acknowledgement of what a risk that is in terms of if you're asking people to self-isolate because they've been exposed or because they've got symptoms. And we have statutory sick pay of essentially £100 a week. So, it's very difficult for people to do that. Yet that's what they should do for the public health of all of us. But what became very obvious was that how people were falling through the gaps in those schemes. So, for example, if you had a small business and wanted to get support, you had to have 3 years of accounts. And people who were just in between jobs when the lockdown started, it's known as the New Starter furlough people, they got left with no money through absolutely no fault of their own. And one of the things that COVID-19 has demonstrated is very much that change can happen very quickly. And in fact, that's my theory of political change, is that it happens in big jumps. It doesn't happen slowly and gradually. So the last change, certainly UK or US perspective, was the rise of Margaret Thatcher and Ronald Reagan. We've had 40 years of neoliberalism. We're now in the middle of creating whatever comes next. And I think it's crucial for us to say that universal basic income doesn't solve all the problems by any means, but is a necessary precondition for a society that lives within the physical limits of this fragile planet, while also ensuring that everybody has a decent, secure life.